It's almost 8 o'clock on a Sunday night, and I just wanted to do a really quick update on some of the plants that I featured recently. One week ago exactly, I planted this artichoke agave, or I think it's also known as agave parryi, and so there's ants crawling on it, which is definitely a bad sign that there might be mealybugs or scale here. I might check that out. But I just wanted to see if we'd had any rooting, because the wrinkling is looking a little bit better than it was last week. This is the one that was found in the ground at the same time, planted about a month ago. This one, cleaned up, planted in the soil about a week ago. And I'm not necessarily recommending you do this to your propagations, but this is just to check to see how we're doing. Ah, look at that. So this plant is very much alive and it has brand new roots. And now that it has roots, it's gonna start taking on moisture in its leaves and it will start looking just as good as that one. So I've placed it gently back in there. And I just wanna note, you'll see the soil is, it's not dry. I don't overwater this. I haven't watered this recently because that soil is not dry. So, so this plant is reacting to that nice moist soil, but it is loose. It's moist, but it's loose. So hopefully that will mean we won't have any rot. Other plants featured in videos. Here is the one from my Proplifting video. It's got a lot of leaves, and these are ones that were in there with it. Checking on our string of turtles. Look at that. It is happy, happy, happy. And finally, my rainbow succulent. Everything is pretty happy in there. They're starting to grow a little bit bigger, but that is to be expected. But everything is rooted in there and happy. And that's it. I hope everyone had a great weekend.